In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stremio add-ons. If you're a movie enthusiast or just someone who loves a good binge-watch session, Stremio is definitely a platform you should consider. It's a wonderful application that brings entertainment to your fingertips, but what really enhances its functionality are the add-ons. So, let's dive into the process of setting up these add-ons to maximize your streaming experience. First things first, make sure you have the Stremio app installed on your device. If it's not installed yet, head over to their official website to download and install it. Once you have Stremio on your device, the next step is to open the application. You will be greeted by the Stremio interface, which is quite user-friendly and intuitive. Now, if you haven't done so yet, you need to sign into your account. Stremio requires you to log in so that your settings and preferences can be saved across devices. Simply enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and easy and will provide you with a seamless experience across all your devices. With Stremio open and you being logged in, glance towards the top right corner of the screen and locate the puzzle piece icon. This icon represents the add-ons, and clicking on this will direct you to the add-ons section. This is where you can explore all the available add-ons, which are the key to unlocking a variety of interesting content sources. In the add-ons section, you have a couple of categories to choose from: official and community add-ons. Official add-ons are trustworthy and managed by the Stremio team, while community add-ons are developed by independent creators. Each category has its own charm, and you'll find different content depending on what you choose. Take your time to browse through the add-ons available. There's a world of entertainment at your fingertips, so it's worth spending a few moments to see what's on offer. Once you find an add-on that piques your interest, notice the Install button situated next to each add-on. Clicking on Install will add that specific add-on to your account. Thanks to the cloud-based nature of Stremio, once an add-on is installed, it becomes available across all your devices linked to the same account. This means you can start watching on your smartphone and continue exactly where you left off on your tablet or computer, making it remarkably convenient. And that wraps up our guide on setting up Stremio add-ons. These add-ons greatly enrich your Stremio experience by providing a wider array of viewing options and content sources. Enjoy exploring your new entertainment possibilities.